This is one of my most favorite times to be outside in the yard. It's about 3:30 and it's daylight savings time, so the sun is going to be going down pretty soon. There's just something very different about the lighting at this time of the day. And there's also kind of a quiet calmness. I can hear the birds are looking for places to roost, and the animals are kind of quiet. The squirrels are still shuffling around, hiding their nuts, but going to be looking for a place to sleep soon too. Even the smell is different. What's your favorite time to be outside?